stray, they flow like the wind, but in you I'll stay grounded in. I will stay here, I will stay here, right here in you. I will keep my mind stay on you, 'cause you are pure and true, pure and true. I will stay here, right here with you. Come on, mate, here I'll remain, steadfast as prayer and strong in faith. Yeah, yeah. All of the grounds they be sinking, so on your word I'm standing. Grounds they be sinking, so on your word I'm standing. Everybody's searching, looking for safety in the wrong things. Yeah, I'll hold on, I'll stay strong, I'll hold on. I'll hold on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Many stray, they flow like the wind, but in you I'll stay grounded in. I will stay here, here. I will stay here. I will keep my mind stay on you, 'cause you are pure and true, pure and true. I will stay here, right here with you. Wonders will say, I know that these things they come and they go. One thing's for sure, that your word for me will go cold. So I'll stay here with you in my heart, I won't fade. No, I'll keep growing strong with my head up, 'cause I know these things will all fade away. And I know that they are not real, so they don't fret me now. So I close my eyes and walk through, 'cause I know who I am. All things work together, all things work together, yeah. You're mine forever, you're mine forever, yeah. I know you're here, I know you're here. 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 No mountain too high, they will not comply. No valley too low, they will not respond to me. Out of my belly flows rivers of water life-giving, and it is all because, like the morning sun, you brighten up my life, keep me going strong, keep me going strong, and I will not fear. 'Cause 'cause I know that you're always here with me. Oh my Father, yeah. Oh my Father, come rain, come shine, I shine. Through storms, mountains, I fly, yeah. I fly, I fly, yeah. I reign, I rule, I king, 'cause you live inside me, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'll keep on winning all the time, yeah. Because your spirit lives inside me, yeah. I'll keep on winning all the time, because Jesus lives inside me. Victory is mine, victory is mine. You know all the time, I just run, I don't die. Oh yes, nothing like your presence. The way you fill this room, intoxicating, intoxicating. There's nowhere else I'd rather be than right here with you, in your presence. Nothing else will do. You reign, you rule, you shine. My king, your ways for a long time, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My Lord, my King, my God, to you all the praise be, yes. Oh, I'll keep on winning all the time, because your spirit lives inside me. I'll keep on winning all the time, oh yeah, because Jesus lives inside me. Victory is mine, I got victory, victory, yeah, I got victory, yeah, victory, yeah, I got victory, victory, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, oh, yeah, yeah. Nowhere else I'd rather be than right here with you, with you. Nowhere else I'd rather be. Oh no, yeah. Mighty creator, beautiful savior, nobody like you. Oh, Lord, you're a wonder, nobody like you. I wouldn't trade you for silver or gold. Walking down the road, I've seen a lot of faces, and all that I see is you. Your glory in everything you created. Nobody compares to you. Him and her, me and you are. He made us wonderful, wonderfully crafted, perfect in Him, 'cause He lives in me. I'm shining bright, 'cause I'm God kind and I carry Christ. Darkness cannot withstand the light. When I step in, it flees out of sight, yeah. That's why I'm a wonder, 'cause Christ is my maker. Yes, He lives inside. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. That's why I'm a wonder, 'cause Christ is my maker. Yes, He lives inside, yeah, yeah. There is no weapon, I say there is no weapon formed against me in this world or the next that can never prosper. Yeah, there is no weapon, I say there is no weapon formed against me in this world or the next that can never prosper. That's why everything's sweet, everything nice, everything nice, so nice. Just look at me, everything fresh and nice. Nothing can stand against me, nah, nah. That's why I'm a wonder, 'cause Christ is my maker. Yes, He lives inside, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. That's why I'm a wonder, 'cause Christ is my
Yo, chat, what up,
maker.
chat? How you guys
Yes,
doing?
He lives inside, oh
Good
yeah.
morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Happy Monday, happy weekend to you guys. If you guys can drop some energies in the chat, let's go.
That's why I'm a wonder, 'cause Christ is my maker. Yes, He lives inside, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's why you're a wonder.
Yeah, first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, 'cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica, and my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today, and why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, 'cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him, the pusher still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays, Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang, and that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family
Yo, chat,
straight.
what up, what up?
Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers
Let's go,
chain.
bro. Shout out to you,
Any
pal.
other
What's up?
homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't named.
What's up,
Shit, man. Pray
everybody?
for
What's
B-Way,
up,
the
what's
real
up?
childhood friend. Pray for Noah, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped fool.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. How you guys doing? Shout out to 19 viewers. If you guys can drop some energies in the chat, that would be appreciated. Let's go.
I ain't even need no rollout, so you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany, and BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will to let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be all right. I've always had the ultimate confidence. I've always believed in myself. And I always strived to be the best I could be. It was instilled in me as a kid. When I was making this album, man,
Alright, gang, how you guys doing? Welcome to a brand new week, and it's last day of the month here on the monthly candle. It's gonna be interesting day probably. Below the range. Wow. Shout out 22 viewers. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? So if you guys ready, type ready in the chat if you guys ready for today for today's analysis. Let's go. I want to see who's ready in the chat. All right. So let's do the top down analysis. Let's start with the monthly time frame. So the monthly time frame, as you can see, we still have 12 hours and 51 minutes for this candle to close. So today is gonna be close. So we move up, re-break the high there, and then right now, as you can see, we move down, right? And it's open of the weekly candle too. As you can see, we move here, reject, and but I believe, yeah, in the monthly time frame, I'm still bearish on the monthly, as you can see, and the weekly, yeah, probably we're just making a top wick towards to these levels, and then flip down like this on the weekly candle. We need to grab orders at least on this range before driving down, right? But yeah, you re-break the previous candle low on the weekly candle. This one, you re-break this, right? And then right now you're heading towards to the upside again. And once you react probably on the zone, on the minor resistance level on price here, once you reacted there, yeah, there's a high chance that this candle will go back down again if you react. But if you didn't react and then it's just this grabbing towards, yeah, this is gonna be the probably the liquidity, because you re-break the lows here, right? This is probably the liquidity to move off, right? So yeah, we're gonna anticipate that probably today or maybe tomorrow, but this week minimum you gonna tap here, and then once you react and flip down, yeah, it's gonna move further down here. All right, so that's the weekly. Daily, yeah, daily is still the same. We have range. This is the range, right? This is the range. So resistance is up there, support is here, and then as you can see, we move bearish on the last week candle, right? We have one daily candle, move down, breakout, and this one close below the range. So basically we're gonna anticipate that this next candle gonna move down today to retest at least this area, or this area, right? So but let's see, we need to see some reactions on the support levels on the daily time frame. But if we see that support level top today, yeah, we probably gonna here, probably this is the zone that we need to top at least, right? But right now we're tapping some wicks on the left, as you can see, wicks on the left. So there is no reaction yet on price, but we're gonna see that tapping the support, the previous support level. Once you tap there, yeah, probably gonna move down once you react. All right, that's the daily 4 hour. All right, the 4 hour creating some support. As you can see, support form here, and then resistance up here. As you can see, there is a breakout happening on price. This candle, right? Moving up. We have clean traffic towards to the upside here. This the clean traffic on the 4. But if we have volume, yeah, we gonna probably see that pushing up towards to the upside. Still have 47 minutes and 32 seconds for this candle close. And no bottom wick. Open, no top wick. So yeah. Any given time, probably on the next 4 hour candle, if we are bullish, right? If the 4 hour wanna run it bullish, I need to see this first re-break of the low. At least you grab some orders here. You grab the bottom wick here and then flip up. So this is gonna be the trade up here, right? Because you don't have any top wick and bottom wick here on price. So probably for me, if you don't have any bottom wick or top wick, you cannot move up. There's no range to move up, right? So yeah, that's the 4 hour. 1 hour, let's see. All right, the 1 hour is starting to rally here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles. But we have minor levels right now here on price. And then we're topping the resistance now here. So resistance here. There minor support here, and then some clean traffic down here, clean traffic here once support has been formed, right? But yeah, we have previous structure on price. This is the previous structure. As you can see, we break out. Now we're moving up. And we have, once we close above the range, here, right, we have clean traffic here on price. This is the clean traffic, the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, let's see 30 minutes time frame. So the 30 create resistance, re-break the high. So yeah, there's no probability that we're gonna move down once you re-break the high, right? Because right now we're creating some bullish trend on price here, right? We're creating some bullish trend on price, but we cannot. I don't want to take buys right now. I need to see closure at least here. Now, once we see close above, yeah, probably gonna take that buys. But that's the first idea. The second idea, if I'm gonna take some buys, I need to see retracement first. I need to see support has been formed again here to take buys up to retest the high. So that's gonna be the second idea. All right. For sales, let's see on the 15th. So for sales, yeah, with this, for sales, yeah, 45 pips down here, and then but we are pretty bullish on the trend now on the lower time frame, right? We're just creating some structure here, resistance here, support is down here, and I don't think that we gonna close once we see closure. Yeah, but the problem right now, right? The problem here is the wicks on the left. Even though we have closure on price, I don't think that I can enter a trade. I can enter a sell because I have wicks, and then minor support, and then wicks. Too many wicks, right? For me, I need to see at least clean, right? At least clean like this. At least volume. The body is big, right? On the price. If you want to see that clean traffic on the left like this. And then once we see closure below, yeah, this is gonna be the trade. Sell down, and then this is gonna be the tradable candle. But yeah, let's see. So I have resistance here. All right. Support. Probably. Yeah, we're just creating some market structure. We're just ranging around here. So yeah. 30. The 30 is rejecting again. Yeah, so we need to wait today. It's Monday too, and it's the last day of the month. So yeah, we need to be chill right now. Chill, chill, chill. Shout out to 29 viewers. Yeah, make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel. What's up, Big Antonio? How you doing? How you doing? Mm, mm, mm. And look at this daily zoom out here. If you gonna look for some trend, yeah, break and retest and move down. Dun, dun. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Coach, ano masasabi mo sa prop firm? Okay ba siya kung wala masyadong kapal pang trading? Yup. Yup. Yeah, take the prop, bro. Take the challenge and start to practice there so you cannot lose a lot of money if you want to do that. Do-do-do-do-do. boom, 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 boom. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Dun, dun, dun. 3 minutes and 40 seconds for closure. Closure, belosure. Shout out to 26 viewers. Yeah, make sure you like the stream, subs to the channel. No closure. We skip rejecting three. Yeah. On the 30 looks clean, very clean. 130 pip. Re-break the low there, chat. Eight minutes for the closure. Re-break the low. Okay, so yeah, impulse entry is good here on the 30. Impulse entry is good. The impulse. If this didn't react now, yeah, we're probably gonna see melt. 1 hour close to chat. I'm entering a sell here right now. Yeah, it's an impulse entry on price. Let's see. It's Monday, so because we see the re-break of the 1 hour, right? 30 minutes re-break 2, 15 re-break 2. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot here. I'm stop. I'm probably gonna keep on the high on the 15 and 30. So yeah, let's see. Boom, boom. Can you push further down now? Can we push further? All right. Can we push a little bit more? A little bit more. All right, I'm closing half of the position here and moving stops to break even. This is probably a risk-free trade as we plan. So risk-free. And let it run towards at least on this wicks on the left to close more partial. Right? I picked 12 pips here on price. So yeah. W trade, gang. W trade. W trade. Oh, no bottom wick on 5 here. We need to see reactions right now. If we didn't see reactions, we probably gonna push, hit the BE, but I secure already on the 12. So yeah. Double is in the chat. Double is in the chat if you got the trade. W's in the chat. Once we flip, yeah, this is gonna be nice. All right, flip it. Probably close full right here at 17 pips, chat. On the flip of the candle. Yep, that's the trade. 17 pips. Double is in the chat. Double is in the chat. So I go out. I manage the trade here because no bottom wick on the close of the 5, right? So if I did see that, if I didn't close the trade, if it didn't manage, we're probably gonna hit the BE now. So yeah, that's the trade for me. 17 pips. Close full at 70. Yeah. W. So if you guys gonna ask me why we took those trades, right? And for me, as you can see, the 1 hour, we tap the 1 hour here, right? We create a wick up here, and then we're starting some hovering price on the range. We're creating some market structure. If we're gonna drop down to the 30, as you can see, we have resistance, and then now as you can see, we have close bullish but a small weak body, right? As you can see, there's weak body, and then the 30 is open up, and then the 30 is trying to drive down towards to the downside. Re-break the low, right? Re-break the low there. I didn't enter on the re-break the low because I don't see that re-breaking the low, but when I see the retracing the price at least this low, and I see in my broker re-breaking the low there, retracing, I enter a trade. I took those trades. I took the opportunity that I need to take sell because it's gonna re-break the low. And as you can see, the 30 still have time, right? It's 22 minutes when we enter, right? 22 minutes remaining. So I need to see if the 22 it's gonna react in here, but you didn't react. That's why we took the trade. We took the sell, right? And then as you can see, the 15 re-breaking the low too, re-breaking all the lows on the price here, as you can see, right? So yeah, take advantage, impulse entry there, volume, anticipating volume on the session. So yeah, 17 pips there, chat. W's in the chat. 17 pips. 0.4%. 30 minutes. Re-breaking the previous candle low, impulse sell, gold and London 12. What's that? 12:30, 12:40, 12:35. Yeah. 6:30, 2025. Yeah, that's the trade, gang. That's the trade. W. W. How many of you guys got the same trade? Type in the chat. Don't be shy, man. If you don't get it, it's fine. Plus 17 pips. Now close below the range. Top wick and then flip. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be nice on the 15. Top wick and flip down. Cool. Like the stream, gang. Like the stream. If you got the trade, like the stream, subs to the channel, support. So now we are in the 58, taking trade live. Is there any chance copy your shit? Hello coach. Is there any chance that we can get that copy of journal? Okay. Give me a second. So if you guys wanna copy the journal, all right. So there's some there's someone journaling here, all right? Make sure you guys are this is the thing, because if you guys use this, you're gonna delete all this, right? So go to the file and make a copy, right? Make a copy. Don't use directly. So you guys use that on your own, like, so make a copy and then that's it. Rename the journal and then that's all. I'm gonna send it here. So yeah, make sure you guys are copying. Make a copy. Make a copy. So now, tapping the support. Once this candle flip, yeah, it's gonna push further down. But once this candle move up, yeah, we probably gonna move up today. Like this. Retesting the high. But yeah, that's the session trade, chat. 17 pips. How many? Now I'm gonna ask you guys, how many of you guys got the same trade? Drop it in the chat if you got the same trade. Mm-hmm. Only you, Reese? No one else got the same trade. It was a good impulse candle opportunity, even though I have bullish bash for today. Yeah, true that. Me too, I'm bullish for today, but I need to see retracement first. At least you retrace down here. is here. And then once we see the support form, yeah. So we need to see at least good range to trade, right? Then once we see that bullish closure, yeah, we're probably gonna take buys up to retest the high. All right, so as you can see, chat, top wick there on the support, topping the support, top wick. Now move down. Now let's see if this candle gonna move further down here, because right now we have volume, big candle closure, volume 2. But I'm not gonna take any trades. It's Monday, man. It's Monday. Probably I'm gonna come back on the NY. Let's see. But it's Monday. It's the last day of the month, so chill. We got green days today already. We got blue trades, so chill, chill. You don't need to rush the things. You don't need to rush some trades. Oh. Chat, can I have a favor to you guys? Can you drop some W's in the chat? W's in the chat, man. Drop some W's in the chat. I'm gonna make some stories today. Let's go. Spam some W's in the chat if you got the straight. Spam some dubs. Spam some W's in the chat. Let's go, man. All right, chat. Thank you. Re-break the low. Reacted. Okay. Reacted. Chat, if you have questions, let me know. Sorry. So, chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. If you're gonna ask me one more trade, no, I'm not gonna trade anymore. Probably gonna come back on the NY, but right now we're done. It's Monday, so you need to be relaxed, chill. You got the one trade already. You don't need to over trade. You don't need to over risk there. Just 1 to 2 trades a day, man. Keep the 9 to 5 away. But in the 30 looks clean. 30 close bearish. Yeah, you need to see top wick first before driving down. Probably retest again here and then boom. Because sometimes we have volume and one candle gonna rip down like this. Wow, account balance right now is 50,309. I don't know who's this, but yeah, W for this guy. W. Let's see, he has some MCG, MGC. Oh, it's future. He used future chart. Okay, nice. Oh wow. Yeah, he used future chart. So yeah, I don't know who's that guy. Boom, 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 boom. One minute, and then for our close to create a huge top wick. 1 hour close bearish. Yeah, 1 hour close bearish. Only a top wick you need. Top wick and flip down. Once the candle flip, man, it's probably ripped down here. If you guys want to take the sell, yeah, wait for the top wick and flip. But for me, I'm not gonna touch now. Wait for like this and then boom. It's gonna be clean, clean, clean. Boom, 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 boom. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. All right, no top wick. 4 hour close. This is gonna be tough. Re-break the lows there. Yep, this is gonna be tough. They probably bottom wick on the 4 hour. To flip up. So no bottom wick. Re-break the low. Yeah. Boom. Melting. It's melting. Doom, 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 doom. For the pip, move down. Chat, you don't have any more questions? No questions? So yeah, if you got the trade, chat, W's in the chat, and yeah, I probably gonna call it a stream now, and probably gonna see you guys tomorrow, the same time, same place. And if you guys gonna trade later on tonight, yeah, we have volume into the market. But the question is, I believe we don't have news today. Yeah, no news, and it's last day of the candle, last day of the month, right? So if you guys got the trades, you can guys chill a little bit, wait for the setup, wait for the entry, and then that's it. Don't over trade, don't over risk, gang. All right, don't over trade, don't over risk. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, right? Peace. I'm out. Thank you, chat. See you guys tomorrow, man. Later, chat. See you. Bye.
That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist when I shop so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE.